Hello Miss, my name is Ericia Monica Angelika. Today I will explain about my recipe. This mini cheesecake recipe is chosen because it is easy to make, has good premium ingredients, and look like a cafe dessert. Using Philadelphia cream cheese and Wisman butter make the cheesecake more rich, creamy, and nice smelling and really special. The lotus biscoff give a sweet caramel taste that feels more French. The mini size cook faster, it's easy to serve, and is good for snack, gift, or selling. What makes this recipe special? This is the mix of texture, the creamy biscuit base, the soft cheesecake, and the sweet caramel lotus topping coming together in on smell premium bite that is still simple to make at home. Thank you.